NeeCJae. Today I just want to show you my crochet box braids. This is my second time doing it, so I just want to show you how I went about to do it. So just keep watching. Okay, I am not the best braider at all, okay? So I'm using this jam stuff from this to actually just, braid my hair. I'm not a good braider. I'm just trying to braid them straight back, so it doesn't really matter how you braid them and how big, as long as you try to just braid them straight back for the best results, in my opinion. I just wanted to speed this up a little bit so you won't have to see the entire process, but I just went down just regular cornrows. Okay, so I left this section out because what I'm going to do, I'm going to braid that individually, and I had to connect this in the back a little bit. See, my parts are all crooked, but it doesn't matter, just so I can connect the braids a little bit better. And up front, I'm just going to clip this away from my, just to clip it up so it can stay out my way, and then we'll deal with that toward the end. So this is going to be my leave out. This is what's going to make it look a little bit real. Okay, so this is the hair that I used when doing my hair. I just got the braids already, and I tried to get it close to my hair color as possible. So it's T530, and I really like this color. It's from Model, and I purchased this from my local beauty supply store. So now I just have the crochet wand, and I'm taking the hair and I'm putting it onto the little piece and then pulling it through, and then I'm securing it. I'm taking the end of the braid and going through the little hole in the beginning. But I'm going to show you a couple of these in the back. The back was the hardest to do, but you'll see it a little bit better as we go on. As I finish the rest of my hair, you'll see it a little bit better, okay? Okay, so now you can see it a little bit better. I take my hair and I secure it under the little clip right here, and I secure it first. And then I try to pull it through, and then I take the end and clip it. It's better to do it here because I can see it now than rather in the back, like I said. And then I secure this and pull it through this little hole right here, and then form the knot. So it's really, really simple. Once you get to the top of your head, toward the middle and the top, you can see it a little bit better to pull it through. But at the back, I have to use my hands to kind of pull the little tail through to form the knot. So yeah, this is what I do all over my head. Yeah, sometimes, you know, it gets stuck right here. And what I'd have to do is you close it, close the little claps, the little thing on it first, and then pull it through. It comes out a little easier. So I had to figure it out. You want to close it and then pull it back out, and it comes out really easy. So here we go again. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just taking a braid, a few of the braids, and I'm just going to unravel them, and I'm going to use them to just single braid each with the top, my leave out part. It makes it look a little bit real. So once I unravel that, I have already added some of the little gel moisturizer to my hair, and I'm just going to braid this right on in. And it's amazing. I'm so glad that it looks like my hair. Again, I am not the best braider, so this looks a little funky, but I have a solution to cover, you know, whatever. If it's if my real hair is actually showing, I have a solution to actually correcting that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue to braid this on down. Okay, so this is the final results. I really like the way this came out, but I wanted to show you these little sparse pieces where some of my hair is showing. I'm just going to take the little silver hair clips that I purchased and just put it on each area that maybe, you know, in the front that shows a little of the hairs, because my braids are not all that great, but it will do, honey. But anyway, yeah, this is it. I really like the way this came out. It took me 2 hours to do this, and I love it. This is the back, and I will add some more of those silver pieces to the back later. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and love until next time.